Hey everyone, welcome back to Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. I'm James, and today we're diving into the world of in-the-hoop bag projects that are so stylish, people will ask where you bought them and not how you stitched them. I have Erin and Silvanna joining me on today's episode to show some of their favourites. Keep watching to find out how you can win one of the stylish designs featured in today's episode.
Thanks, James. I'm Erin, this is Silvanna, and we are going to talk about some bags that we love. So I will start with this one, which is a relatively recent one. This is from this year, right?
Yeah.
It's from the start of this year. Beautiful butterfly wing, and one of my favourite things is when you open it up, it looks like the full butterfly. A lot of people did that when they made it, which I think is really, really cute. Yeah, it uses a lot of our supplies, our physical supplies and things like that. But also this cute little bead strap Cassie just got, and I just think it's really cute and matches really nicely, so I added that on top. Do you want to talk about one of yours?
Yeah, sure. So one of the ones I chose was the Tassel Bag. This one was made quite a few years ago now, but I just love this tassel-y technique. And you have to use a non-fraying fabric for this, so it's perfect for PU, cork or felt. And this is just done completely in the hoop, and then you cut it to make this sort of tassel-y thing afterwards. And I just love that it's got that real country vibe that I really like. But if you don't like tassels, you can also do it with anything that you like. This is a piece of lace which looks really beautiful, and I love how different these two look. Like this one's more pretty elegant, this one's more country vibes. So it's a really versatile design.
Make it very seasonal too.
Yeah.
Like this could be very spring and very, what we say, autumn, fall for some other places in the world.
Yeah, so I just love this one.
Yeah,
it's very my style.
I like it too. Following on with my butterfly theme, this was not on purpose, but I was just going through our bags and just love a lot of our butterfly designs. And this one in particular, I actually picked out because I'm guessing Cassie must have added this little butterfly on it. But that's the kind of thing that you can do, you know, if you find something really pretty when you're at a craft store or something, or maybe even it's just like something you found in a thrift store, op shop, you can really base your whole design around that. And I think that's just a really nice way to kind of make a design cohesive, because this is all in one
hooping.
Yeah.
And this is the Chipunto effect as well.
Yeah, so it's kind of subtle in a way, which I think is what makes it really elegant and stylish.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Because it's all the same hue, it's all gold.
And what Chipunto means is you put like two pieces of batting down, and then this stitch here creates like some depth, and then which makes these other bits pop. So it's got like that dimensional quality to it.
I actually didn't know that, so now I've learned something today. That's really cool. Yeah, so I really love that, and I added a gold chain just to show it off. And yeah, it goes all the way design on the back too. I think it looks really cute. It would go with my outfit today.
Yeah, very trendy. So the next one I'm going to talk about is this one, which is the Fill Your Heart bag.
So cute.
And I love this one because it has a hole in the flap, which is a bit different. And it means you can really feature your fabric. So you can fussy cut very easily because it's just a big strip. So you just have to make sure what you're trying to focus is in the middle, and it'll work. So this one's got like a butterfly in it, which is super cool. Very quick project. This is 2 hoopings. It's got an in the hoop zipper, and it's so good for making themed bags for maybe little girls or anyone you know really. I'll show you a few. We did a few different colorways. So this one is got like a little owly butterfly thing in it, which is super cool.
Pretty.
And our faux leather. And this one has a little piggy.
So cute.
Which is very cute. So it's very good for those special fabrics that you've been keeping, you're not sure what to do with, so you can really feature them.
Yeah, or if
and it's really fun.
Even if you have scraps left over, like if that was just, you've used the rest and you've got like a little piggy left over, you can
so fun.
Make use of your scrap bin.
I love it. I love how fun it is.
Yeah, it's such a cool idea. love that. Next, I'll keep going with my animal theme. This one is very popular. I actually see it quite a lot in our group. This is the summer bee clutch, and I just love the really pretty wings on the bees. Obviously, that's us choosing our own, like choosing something like mylar, but you could do that with any kind of shimmery, pretty fabric, I feel.
You can do it with organza as well, or you can just use a metallic-y thread.
Yeah, and I just love that because I think that really shows off how beautiful bees are, and that people don't realise how beautiful bees are. And I also just love strawberries. I have a lot of strawberry-themed clothing, so the combination I really enjoy. And it's another one that's like, I think most of mine, all of mine I've picked don't have zippers, coincidentally. That was not intentional again, but yeah, we have a lot of designs that have zippers in the hoop, which makes it really easy, but you also don't have to do zippers if you find that intimidating. A lot of our designs also just have various types of ways, like snaps and things like that you can use. So yeah, and that's a cute little, you can add straps and things like that, or just have it as like a little clutch, which I think would be really cute.
Yeah, nice. The next one I'm going to talk about feeds in quite well to that design, because this is our mix and match clutch set. I should have taken the safety pin out so I can show you better. But this one is a really, really, really good set to have, because it gives you both the clasp option of the body and the zipper option of the body, which you can then use with any of our existing clutch designs. You can, so if you wanted this bee clutch, for example, and you wanted the zipper body, you could just use the zipper body from this design and attach the flap from this design. They work well like that together. For this particular set, you get three different, so you get the two bodies, the clasp and the zipper, and then you get the three different clutch flaps. So it's a really, really good set to have.
Yeah.
You can make so many possibilities with this one.
Yeah, this one gives me very like 1920s vibes.
Yeah, really nice.
And then this one's kind of retro-y and
this one would be good for like scraps and stuff as well.
Yeah. And this one's obviously quite heavily embroidered, which is really cute too.
Yeah, so that's why I love this set, 'cause
Yeah.
it's just a really good one. You
Yeah.
can make lots of different combinations with that one, and we've used a lot of our PUs and corks as well.
Yeah, great. And then my last one is the double diamond tote. It also does come with a little, I think it's just like a zipper purse as well. But I really like the tote bag. I just think I don't know, there's something about it that I just really enjoy. It's like, it's just a diamond pattern. It's nothing too complicated looking, but what you use on it really makes it shine. And you can really change it up so much. I think we did another colourway.
Well, this one was actually Alison's design, and she came up with a new technique for this where, I don't know if you can see, but this is all mylar with the diamonds, and this diamond is lighter than this diamond, and that's because there's 2 layers of mylar on this one and only 1 layer on that one. So it's a really cool little new effect that she came up with.
Yeah, I love that. Just looks so pretty.
Yeah.
And it also has a zip on the back, so a little bit of extra storage in there, and then a huge bag inside, and there's no zip, no clasp or anything, so make something a bit different. And I really like bags where you can just really easily access everything, even though you end up losing a lot of things in your bag, but I really enjoy that. So yeah, I think it's really cute. And yeah, there's a zipper purse as well that's just kind of this one section, and you can get them together as well and make a really nice set.
Very nice. So the last one I'm going to talk about is the farm animal pocket bag.
So cute.
And this one I just love. I think it's so cute, and it comes with these little stuffies that go in the pockets. So this one's a little cow.
So cute.
This one's a little piggy, and this one's a little sheep. I love this fabric as well. It's very cute and fluffy. So these bags are really good for mums, because you can put all your stuff in there, like your nappies and things like that. And then the little animals can keep your children entertained while you're shopping or whatever.
And you could even like take these out and put other things in too. Like you can very easily fit a bottle in there, or some wipes or something like that. So.
Yeah, and you don't even have to make
useful.
the bag if you don't want to. You could just, this design comes with the stuffies and the bag, so you could just make the little animals as well if you like. So it's really versatile design, and it's like a barn shape as well.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And I'll show you the back. And it's got all these windows in it, which is really fun because you could fussy cut animals or people into them.
Cute.
Yeah, that's why I love this bag.
I love it, and it's huge.
Yeah, it's very big.
Covers most of you up.
Yeah. So I think this is a 6 by 10.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that's all of our bags that we love.
Thanks Erin and Silvanna for sharing some of your favourite stylish bag designs from swpea.com. In our last episode, we asked, how would you use one of the practical designs Alyssa and Annette showcased in your daily life? We loved reading all your ideas, but one comment really stood out. Congratulations to Sewing Lady J. Her comment read as such: the new summer wet bag would be a great pattern to make for my family's Christmas presents this year. We are all beach going and boating people. Never even thought about making a bag with waterproof inside fabric. I love that idea for all the bathing suits before getting into the car ride home. We usually just use Ziploc bags. I really love the idea. Well, Sewing Lady J, that is such a good idea for those wet bags. Email customer.service@swpea.com to claim your prize. We've shown off some of our most stylish in the hoop bag designs on today's episode. Now it's your turn to chime in. Which bag from today's episode do you think is the most stylish, and what makes it stand out to you? Drop your answer in the comments below. It's that easy. One lucky winner will receive the design they commented about completely free. We'll announce our favourite response in the next Sweet Talk episode. So go on, tell us what caught your eye. Thanks so much for watching. We've got a huge range of beautiful bag designs waiting for you at swpea.com. Go take a look and find your next favourite project. And hopefully you'll tune in for the next episode of Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. Goodbye.